Welcome back to the channel. I'm just down in the basement here checking up things. But I was out with this is the threshold, the side of the car. And you see on this, it had been off the road and hitting something. And it was very bad. Let's see. Here it was bent in a lot, and you see here scratching. So now I have plastic welded in here so it's not taking in water, and then I'm going to see if I can put on a little other places to make it stronger again. I'm not good enough to make this pretty again, but at least I can make it stronger. I have been testing with plastic welding and different things on repair tools. This one I was just starting with here. I bought a set with different tools. This one is a little bigger. Just heat it up and start to get in some stuff here. Mastering it, if you do that at all. For me, it's the most important is that's not going to get in water, so I get rust problem again. Here, building up. There. Done a little again. Let's see. It's getting better and better. And here it was completely ruined with holes and everything. So now at least before I put it on, I can use a little tough sandpaper and take off some of this and leave it, because it's going to be underneath the car more or less and people can't see it, but at least now I don't have to worry about getting in water. I have a hole there. That one I'm going to fill. Otherwise, it's looking much better than it was. So yeah, I'm learning. So I think the only way of doing this is by trying. So yeah, it's not that expensive, and you can do it in the basement like I'm doing now. Yeah, just look around. I can see if I can put in the link for where I bought it. I don't get anything for doing that, but yeah, if it can help you fix some things on your car, and if you try a lot more than the 5 minutes I tried, then you're going to get a lot better than me. Yeah, please come back, please follow the channel, please put a like, and please put comments and tell me I think I should be doing better on things. Thank you.